I just got back from a month-long vacation, and now I'm going to show you all the travel essentials I packed in my Dopp kit, and they are all American made, including the bag. This is the large Elliot Dopp kit from Alchemy Goods, and it is made of recycled truck tire inner tubes, which I think is awesome. Being made from truck tire inner tubes, which are round, it's got sort of an unusual shape to it, where it's not exactly square, but I think it looks great. The lime green color really caught my eye. It also comes in blue, red, and gray. And then on the inside, it has nylon green lining, neon green nylon lining, or red or gray or blue, depending on which color you buy. This bag costs about $40. For about half the price, you can get a nylon Dopp kit bag from Bravo Sierra, but I think the rubber construction is a great idea. Anything that leaks inside the bag isn't going to leak outside of the bag into the rest of your luggage, like your clothes or your electronics that you probably don't want liquids on. You could also get an American-made leather Dopp kit bag for twice the price from Main Street Forge. I still think rubber is probably the best material. The first thing I packed in my Dopp kit was a portable shower, Cottonelle flushable wipes. Flushable wipes are usually terrible for plumbing, but Cottonelle is the only brand that is actually recommended by a wastewater utility. Luckily, they are made in the USA. The next thing going in the Dopp kit is a lint roller from Target, which I actually ended up not using because I didn't bring my cat with me. I have a bunch of travel containers from a company called Radius. They come in all sorts of different sizes and different colors, but I'm only using 2 of them in my Dopp kit. The first one is the soap container, which I have some Defense antifungal soap because I took some jiu-jitsu classes on vacation and I did not want to catch anything. In the razor container, I have my complete shaving kit, starting with Shave Secret shaving oil, which is super easy to use. You put 3 to 5 drops in your palm, rub it together, and then massage it in your face, and it works just as well as shaving cream. And then for the razor, I have a Personna razor, which I think just the blades are made in the USA, but that's the best I could find for a disposable razor. I have a old school Gillette safety razor that I think is 60 years old, but I got it from my grandpa, and I don't want to lose it, so I don't take it with me when I'm traveling. I need to buy a spare. You can get one of these on eBay for 30 bucks, or there's a company, Yates Precision Manufacturing, making new ones for about $75. Either way, it's a lifetime purchase, and it is way better than disposable razors. And I use Personna razor blades with my safety razor. This is a carbon fiber comb from the Chicago Comb Company. Because it's carbon fiber, it's anti-static. I guess that means your hair won't stick up when you comb your hair. I don't know. I just think it's cool that I can say I have a carbon fiber comb. And you can spit it on your finger too. Pretty cool. Then I have the Uncle Bill's Silver Grippers, which are super fine point tweezers that are great for getting out splinters or plucking hairs, whatever you gotta do. I usually keep these on my keys, but on vacation, I don't carry my keys. Then I have the No-Mes fingernail clippers, which have this interesting pivot design and a little compartment to catch all your fingernail clippings. And the best part is, has a lifetime warranty. What other fingernail clippers have a lifetime warranty? This is Badger Unscented Lip Balm. It is certified organic and it's only 4 ingredients: olive oil, beeswax, castor seed oil, and rosemary leaf extract. Super simple, and it works. These are the Apex Precision Nose Hair Trimmers by Gorilla Killa. They have rounded points, so you don't accidentally pierce your nose. And you can use these for pretty much anything except a full haircut. Trim your nose hair, trim your mustache, even up your sideburns. It can do it all. Then I have a little tiny bottle of cologne, which my preferred cologne is Sweet Tobacco by 1821 Man-Made. It smells great, gets a lot of compliments, very good stuff. Next up, in the same Sweet Tobacco scent, is the 5-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, beard, hair, and body wash. I don't normally use this, but I thought I would give it a try. I normally use the 18-in-1 Dr. Bronners Castile soap, which apparently you can use for anything from brushing your teeth to mopping the floor. I haven't tried either of those, but it works for soap. And it's super concentrated, so it comes in a much smaller bottle. Lately, I've been using this tea tree oil leave-in conditioner by Paul Mitchell. It works great, I guess. It also works as lotion and aftershave. This is the best travel toothbrush I've ever used. It's made by the same company that made all the travel containers, which is why I didn't need to use their toothbrush container, because this folds into its own handle. Stop. I've used a lot of other travel toothbrushes like this one, and I always hate them. The bristles are always super hard. The Radius toothbrush, you can actually replace the head with medium, soft, or extra soft bristles, which also means you don't have to throw away the handle, so you're making less waste. And another thing I like about the Radius toothbrush over typical toothbrushes is it has a super fat head. I guess that makes it brush more faster. I don't really know, but I do like it, and I'm going to keep using it. For mouthwash, I've been using TheraBreath, and this little bottle lasted me long enough to settle into my Airbnb and make a trip to the grocery store to buy a large bottle of an unnamed brand. I've been using Boka Toothpaste ever since I heard about it on a podcast called Ask the Dentist, where a dentist was talking about the abrasiveness of different toothpastes, and he recommended Boka or Risewell, which are both made in the USA. Both have low abrasiveness, which is better for your teeth, and they both use nanohydroxyapatite, which is supposed to be as effective as fluoride but completely non-toxic. And I have no complaints. I'll do what the dentist tells me. And finally, the last item in my Dopp kit, which I did a ton of research on because I'm a little weird, Tom's Unscented Deodorant. I checked the Skin Deep database, which ranks products based on risk factors of their ingredients, and Tom's Unscented Deodorant was the highest rated deodorant that didn't have complaints of staining shirts. And when you're paying extra for American-made shirts, you really don't want to stain them. So that is everything in my American-made Dopp kit. Links to everything will be in the description below. If you want to know more about American-made products, subscribe and check out my website, stillmadehere.com.